In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy a Salesforce record ID from the URL in Google Chrome. This is a simple but very useful skill, especially if you need to reference a specific record, share it with a teammate in a technical context, or use the ID in reports, troubleshooting, or admin work. Salesforce record IDs are unique identifiers tied to individual records, and once you know where to find them, the process is quick and easy. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to any record page inside your Salesforce org. This can be a record like an account, contact, opportunity, or another standard or custom object. The important thing is that you are viewing a specific record page, not just a list view or dashboard, because the record ID appears in the page address for that individual record. Once the record is open, move your attention to the address bar at the top of the Chrome browser window. This is where the full page URL is displayed. In Salesforce Lightning, the URL usually contains a path that includes the object name, followed by a unique record identifier, and then the word view. For example, you may see something structured like lightning/r/account/, then a long alphanumeric string, and then /view. What you want to find is the string of characters that appears right after the object name segment. This string is the Salesforce record ID. It will usually be either 15 or 18 characters long, and it starts with the prefix associated with that object type. That prefix helps identify what kind of record you are looking at. Carefully highlight only that 15 or 18 character alphanumeric string in the URL. Make sure you do not include any extra slashes, words, or symbols before or after it. Precision matters here, because copying even one extra character can make the ID unusable in another context. After you have selected the full record ID, copy it to your clipboard. You can do that using your usual keyboard shortcut or by right-clicking and choosing copy. And that's it. You've successfully captured the Salesforce record ID directly from the Chrome URL bar. If you do this often, a helpful tip is to double check the character count